Good morning, student. Last lecture we have studied integrated law. Integrated law means the reaction whose rate depends upon the concentration of only single product. Concentration of only single product. Okay. Integrated law means the reaction whose rate depends upon the concentration of reactant only. Today we will discuss next point, graphical representation of the first order reaction. Graphical representation of the first order reaction. We know that integrated law, now the differential rate law for the first order reaction as in this reaction only one reactant A gives to formation of product. The differential rate law for the first order reaction as reactant is A to formation of product. Okay, is therefore rate is equal to small d. We know that small d means small change. Okay, rate is equal to small d concentration of A upon dt is equal to K concentration A T plus 0. Look at this graph, x and y axis. This is the rate and initial concentration variation of rate. Concentration A. Therefore, rate is equal to minus T concentration A upon dt. This is the y, K concentration T plus 0, M, X and C. The equation is of the form y is equal to M into X plus C. Y is equal to Mx plus C. A plot of rate versus concentration AT is straight line passing through origin. Okay, the slope of straight line K. The integrated law is now. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303. This is the integrated law. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 concentration A 0 upon 80. This is the integrated law. We know that on rearrangement the equation becomes KT upon 2.303 equal to log 10 concentration A0 minus log concentration A T time. Okay, hence log 10 concentration A T is equal to minus K upon 2.303 T plus log 10 concentration A0. Okay, this is the Y, M, X and C. Then the equation is of the straight line graph of log 10. The equation is of the straight line graph of log 10. Equation is concentration A0 upon A concentration AT versus T, it's a straight line with slope minus K upon 2.301 and y-axis intercept as log 10 concentration K0. Then integrated log is log 10 concentration A0 upon AT is equal to K upon 2.303 T YMX. The equation has a straight line form. The equation has a straight line form. Y is equal to M into X. M into X. For this example, a first order reaction 2H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide to formation of product 2H2O and O2. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide to formation of water and oxygen. Okay. Therefore, rate is equal to K concentration of H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Then second example, N2O5 to formation of 4NO2 plus O2. A first order reaction, therefore rate is equal to concentration of N2O5. N2O5. This is the graphical representation of first order reaction. Okay. This is graphical representation of. Next point is integrated rate law for gas. Unit of all gas kilopascal or bar. Unit of all gases kilopascal or bar. Okay. Now first order reaction for the gas phase reaction. Consider, for example, A is the reactant to formation of, to produce B plus C. For the gas phase, A to formation of new substance form produce B plus C. Okay. Let initial pressure of A be PR. Initial pressure of A be PI that decreases. A decreases by X within time t. A decreases by X within time t. Okay. Pressure of reactant A at time t. Pressure of reactant A. Here reactant A at time t. The equation is therefore PA equal to PI minus X. Minus X means A that decreases by X. PA is equal to PI minus X. This is the equation number 1. Okay. then the pressure of that product B and C at time t, the pressure of the product B and C at the time t, okay, are PB plus PC equal to X. PB equal to PC equal to X. Okay. The total pressure at time T. Total pressure at time T is then P. Therefore, P is equal to PI minus X plus X plus X. Okay. P is equal to Pi minus X plus X plus X. Okay. Then minus X plus X. Then we get cancel. Remaining P is equal to Pi plus X. Okay. Hence, therefore, X is equal to P minus Pi. P minus Pi. Okay. This is the equation number 2. X is equal to P minus Pi. Pressure of A at time t is obtained by substitution equation 2 into equation number 1. Substitution equation 2 and equation number 1. Thus, PA is equal to PI minus in bracket P minus PI. Okay. Therefore, Pi minus P plus Pi. Then 2 Pi plus P. Okay. Then integrated rate law turns out to be, we know that integration law, therefore K is equal to 2.303 upon T log concentration A0 upon concentration AT. Integrated law is, therefore Q is equal to 2.303 upon T log concentration A0 upon concentration AT. Here K, therefore K, the concentration now expressed in terms of, K means proportional constant, K the concentration now expressed in terms of, thus A0 equal to Pi and concentration AT equal to Pa equal to 2Pi minus P. 2Pi minus P. Okay. Thus, concentration A0 is equal to Pi and time concentration A equal to Pa equal to 2Pi minus P. Substitution gives in above. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 Pi minus 2 Pi minus P. This is equation becomes number 3. Equation number 3. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 Pi upon 2 Pi minus P. Here P is the total pressure of the reaction. Total pressure of the reaction mixture at time t. P is the total pressure of the reaction, total pressure of the reaction mixture at time t. Okay,